What'd you think, Max? Why the fuck are you recording me? Well, hi, Max. Good morning.
Well, hey, Blake. What's up?
All right. Good morning. Yes, I know I need to shave. Yeah, we don't really know what we're doing today. We might go visit Max. Apparently, there's a party where he is tonight. But, yep, we'll see what happens. Well, Max is down there. He said he's kayaking at 3, but there's a river wave in Gunnison. I don't know, like, it sounds like we're headed over there, or what do you think? We're Crested Butte bound.
There's kind of like a hidden way that way.
Wow, it is bumpy.
Yeah, it's pretty dusty there.
Yeah, I need to roll up the window.
Campsite's nice though.
Yeah, this is a cool area. I think we see Max's van.
Blake.
We found him.
What's up?
We found you, Max.
Yeah, big stuff to avoid.
All right, we found Max. We're at his campsite, and now we're gonna hang out with a bunch of kayakers. I'm not gonna kayak. I don't have a kayak. I'm just gonna film them, but it should be fun. Max is about to do some extreme stuff.
Grab my
What?
grab my shirt off.
I can't really see behind me.
This way too, you'll have.
Wait, so these people are extreme athletes? I wasn't filming. What about you? Are you then an extreme athlete?
Getting there, Blake.
You getting there?
Better shape.
Yeah, no extreme athlete has a belly quite like yours.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they do.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, you gotta cross the river.
It's deeper than you think over
Yeah.
there. It's like this tall.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. No way.
Alright, we're some men on a mission right now. Max, do you smell like that?
Probably.
Or is that the car?
My wet stuff.
But
Oh, dude, do a lot of sledding up here, right?
totally.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
No. Sorry, it was in November.
Sled? We're doing the Austin Powers turn as well. Alright, so apparently I'm with a bunch of almost pros here, like really good kayakers, and they're gonna be kayaking and whatnot with Max. So I'm just along for the ride. I'm gonna try to film them.
Where you at, Blake?
I have no idea. We're supposed to see some extreme kayaking apparently. Max is scared, which is, oh, it's windy, people, it's windy. Yep, I literally have to walk through snow to get to the, I guess, the spot where they're gonna enter in. Like, what is this? I have to commute. Jesus Christ. How did it look?
Oh, it's pretty interesting.
Is it doable?
Maybe.
Maybe.
To try.
Yo, no way. Max, are you
What?
sending it?
No.
Oh, that. 26 miles. Yeah. The wind is picking up. There might be a storm. I don't know.
You do a lot of videography, Blake?
Honestly, not that much.
Yeah, he does. He puts out weekly YouTube
Kind of.
skydiving, like nerdy skydiving stuff.
Yeah, but it's mostly for my mom, so she can see what I'm doing.
That's sweet.
No, that's a good point. Actually, you got me there. Do you wear the shoes in the kayak?
Huh?
You wear the shoes in the kayak?
Yeah, I wear shoes in my kayak.
Is this like a pretty extreme run then, or what would you say?
I think class 1, the U-Arter, you know. Yeah.
good to go.
One day, Max, one day.
Is that heavy?
Like 40 pounds.
Max, you're literally in the shot, buddy. There goes Max. I think he's going to be the safety guy if he falls in. I guess right there. Just smelling quick.
A little scary start.
Dude, fucking way to save it.
Look at that piton.
Good shit, bro. Way to fire it up.
Yeah.
Holy shit, you did beat on hard.
Yeah. What'd you think, Max?
Next year, Blake.
Next year?
I'm close. I just want to, you know, paddle more class 5 before I start doing stuff like that.
Alright, they're taking the easy way down. I'm walking down. I'm gonna try to beat this rainstorm. I might be able to hitchhike. Please, for the love of God. I have a ride.
Yeah, hop in, dude.
Oh my God. Hold on, Ruby. Hold on. Whose idea was this?
Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure. How was it?
It is raining. Someone is gonna go down that soon. I don't know when. All right, it's officially raining. I'm in a tree. But I'm gonna get the shot, damn it.
There's definitely some wood in here.
Yeah, there's a few. We need to stay left.
Just when in doubt, stay left. Let's go, creaking.
Here goes Tim.
Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. How was it?
Man, that's fun. That'll be more next time, but let's learn.
Max, that was freaking huge, bro. How you feeling? Oh, you look great, man. Maybe you're a little to the right, but
You look nervous. I was.
No, I got pockets. I got a dry top on. No, I got my pockets. I got pockets.
Ready to book.
oh yeah.
Boo! You get videos of everybody?
Oh yeah.
There we
I got you.
There you
All
go. It's too big, bro.
Like I just so
Show
Stop
that.
recording me! Get out of my face!
Why the fuck are you recording me?
God damn it! See you walk like this. Look. Hold on. Stop
you caught me.
I did catch you.
Yeah.